Have you recently received a job offer where your prospective employer has determined that you are to be paid as a subcontractor? Or maybe you've been given a choice between being a subcontractor and an employee? Which one is better for you? Watch my video to learn more.
Welcome to this episode of Accounting and Tax Tips. Smart strategies for small business success with certified public accountant Tina Moe.
This video is meant to answer the question I often get from clients about a job offer they've received. Sometimes would-be employers give a potential new hire a choice between being a subcontractor and an employee. The subcontractor receives a 1099 at the end of the year and an employee receives a W-2, but which one is better for you? Before I get into the tax repercussions of making this choice as a new hire, let me first just say that this is not really a choice that the employer should arbitrarily make. There are specific laws and guidelines that determine if someone is truly a subcontractor or an employee. The nature of the relationship, the financial control, and the behavioral control of the employee's work should be closely considered before making this determination by an employer. If you're not sure which category you fall under, check out my other video on subcontractors versus employees for information on determining the difference. If you feel you're being characterized incorrectly, let your prospective employer know your preference. It can save you a lot of money and headaches later. That being said, if you have a job offer and you're faced with a decision between the two, let me explain the differences as it pertains to the taxes. A subcontractor is considered self-employed and generally files Schedule C along with their 1040. The profits made on Schedule C are subject to self-employment tax, and that's 15.3% over and above federal, state, and local income tax. And just for clarification, self-employment tax is synonymous with Social Security and Medicare tax, but it's referred to as self-employment tax because you pay 100% as a contractor. As an employee of a company, you only pay half of your Social Security and Medicare tax, or 7.65%, and your employer is required to pay the other half. Are you with me here? If you're a subcontractor, you pay more taxes out of pocket, 7.65% more, and that's $3,800 on a $50,000 a year job. A couple of other caveats of choosing the subcontractor route is the possibility of not being entitled to unemployment benefits if you lose your job, and you may or may not be covered under your employer's workers' compensation insurance plan. One work-related accident that is not covered by your employer's plan could be financially devastating for you, so consider wisely. I hope this was helpful and I thank you for your questions. If you have a tax question, please feel free to submit it to tina@actservices-inc.com and I'll be sure to make it a future topic. For more information on this and other tax topics, visit my website at www.actservices-inc.com.
Thank you for watching this episode of Accounting and Tax Tips with Tina Moe. For more great information, visit Tina's website at www.actservices-inc.com. Also browse the other shows found right here at Indie Biz TV Shows.